I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today I'm making a seafood gumbo with andouille sausage, crab claws, some clams, and some Gulf shrimp. It's easy to make, it's going to be great, and it's right here on Austin Eats. To get started, I'm going to make a roux using flour and some canola oil. This just has to get combined, stirred really well until it comes together. After that, I have to make a shrimp stock. So these are the shrimp shells from the shrimp that I'm going to use later in the dish, and just adding some water to this and letting it boil for a while. I'll then strain out the shells, and I have shrimp stock. Once the roux is nice and brown, I'm going to saute the vegetables. The onions, the carrots, celery, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and a little garlic. Give that a stir and let these vegetables soften for a bit. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes, some salt, pepper, some fresh herbs, a couple of bay leaves, and a little cayenne pepper to give this some kick. Give that a stir. Next, I'll add in the strained shrimp stock and stir this well to make sure that it's really incorporated. After that, the lid goes on and this just gets to simmer for a while. While that's simmering, I'm going to brown the andouille sausage. Cook it on both sides till it's lightly browned. That's looking pretty good. I'm going to add some okra to this dish, but I want it a little crispy, so I'm going to batter it and then lightly fry it. Perfect. The gumbo is coming along nicely. It's time to add the seafood. In go some crab claws, and then some clams, and then the rest of the seafood. That will get a quick stir, and then I'm going to let that simmer for a little bit. The gumbo is almost ready, but there's one final ingredient that I need to add, and that is something called file powder. File powder is basically the ground leaves of the sassafras tree, and it adds a lot of flavor, an earthy flavorness, and actually serves as a thickening agent in Creole cooking. So in the file powder goes, and make sure that that's stirred really well. And this will add some coloring to the gumbo as well. So that simmers for just another couple minutes, and our gumbo is ready to serve. First, I pick out the seafood, and then add some broth. And it smells absolutely fantastic. Seafood gumbo is a real hearty, stick-to-your-ribs kind of dish with a very unusual flavor, due in large part to the file powder. Give it a try. Hey, if you like the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I have new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.